Guys, much later.
Persons to remind.
Hi, good morning. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mamso, and on this channel, I create lifestyle vlogs around my daily routine, my work routine, life as a wife, and general everyday vlogs. It is 6:30 a.m. and today I'm headed to Zaria, Kaduna State, Northwest Nigeria, for a workshop in which my organization will be facilitating. So I'm taking you guys along with me. This will be my first time boarding a train and it wasn't bad at all. I boarded the 7:45 a.m. train with my buses and it was a 2-hour ride to Kaduna. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you guys soon.
This is where we're going to be for the next 4 nights. I don't know how I feel about this space. I don't know how I feel about the hotel. There is no mirror. I don't know why there won't be a mirror in a hotel room. How am I supposed to see myself when I dress up? So, anyway, I just have to manage it. It's Zaria, it's not Abuja, so I have to make do with what I have. So after now, we have a meeting and then lunch and preparation for tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later. Join me, guys. You guys, I didn't know what this was. Like, this is supposed to be salad cream, right? But I don't know what they combined. It tastes like as though they added ketchup and then maybe something. I'm tasting something like kunu, this northern kunuaya or something. There's an ingredient they added to it to give it this color. I don't know. And I'm sure enjoying it too. I don't chop and finish. If I purge, I purge.
I just got back from having would I say second meeting for the day. Okay, first meeting. So after now, I have how many hours? This is 4:26. I have another meeting with my team by 9 p.m. So I have now to put finishing touches to some of the documents. I also have now between now and then to shower, freshen up, rest, sleep if possible, because I don't know how that meeting is going to last. And before the end of the day. Okay, guys, talk to you guys later.
So I'm here for my meeting. I'm waiting for my bosses to join me. I'm at the reception. waiting for them to join me so that we can finish up for the night in preparation for tomorrow. I'm really tired. So after this meeting, I'll just go upstairs, shower, and go to bed.
It is 12:02 a.m. I just finished having my bath not too long ago. Guess how many hours that meeting lasted? I left my room around 9:02 thereabouts, and the meeting finished at 11:20, 11:22, 25 thereabouts. So when I came into the room, my husband had been calling me. I had to call him back. Then before I went to shower, so we're just having meeting to finalize everything tomorrow. And you know the most annoying part of this thing is that this should have been done way before now, days before now. Anyway, I can't complain much, but that's what's up. So guys, I'll be ending today on this note. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey my loves, good morning. How are you doing? So this is the next day. This is day one of the event, and I'm ready. I'm getting set to go out. This is 8 o'clock. This is 8:05. The event starts by 9. So as the moderator, I have to be there on time to make sure that all the materials that we would need are available, have been printed and are available. So this is my outfit. I have to look properly covered because I'm in the north, so you know what I mean. I don't have any clothing that suits their environment. I don't have hijab. I don't have all those, those what they call those kind of clothing again. Those abaya kind of clothing. I don't have those type of clothes. So this is the best I could come up with. It's not like anyone's going to do anything to me though, but I just have to dress covered, properly covered. And also we're told that we might visit the Emir of Zazzau. So I brought one bubu gown, so that will be what I will wear for that visit. And I might have to, at the end of the day, get a hijab, probably buy somewhere for that particular visit. So that's it. I'm starting my day, heading out now. I'll talk to you guys much later in the day. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? Remember, I don't have a mirror. So I'm going to use my phone as my mirror. Alright guys, talk to you guys later.
So I'm here before any other person. I just had to come to the hall to survey the environment and get mentally prepared before people begin to arrive. So see you guys later. Let me show you the hall. And this is the hall. This is our banner, my organization. This is the hall. So waiting for everyone to arrive. I'm an early bird, yes I know.
So delighted that you came around to live peacefully here. And all is well, I believe, in Lagos. We have issues. Recall the first time that was the first time I saw. You don't have to
give them anything. Madam Akachi has already done that.
Now go.
What a day. Okay guys, remember when I stayed in Benin, I complained about the hotel pillows and I said that has always been my experience. Whenever I stay in hotels, I wake up with headache, with neck pain. Well, I'm in Zaria, Kaduna State, and I'm happy to announce to you that the pillows in this room, they are soft. So I'm going to give the hotel kudos, thumbs up. But no, I'll give them 50 just because they have soft pillows. But they didn't give me mirror. There's no mirror in the room. How can you build a hotel? You don't put mirror in the rooms. I don't know about all the rooms though, but I'm gonna give them 50 because of that. But for the pillows, they are soft. I woke up and my neck was not paining me. I slept soundly, so I give it to them. Good morning. This is my outfit for the tea. I'm rushing out. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Now, so that we'll start our activities before the next session.
Okay.
So I'll just begin the first activity. Okay?
I'm having tuwo today. This is my first time of having tuwo. Anyway, tuwo is rice, just that it's blended. I mean, grounded. I mean, how do I want to speak the English? But this is northern food. They blend their rice and turn it to tuwo. So I'm having it for the first time today. Let's see how it goes. Eating rice as well. Good morning. So today is day 3 and the last day of our workshop. I'm tired. To even get out of bed is a problem. I can't wait to go back to Abuja. So today is the final day, then tomorrow we're headed back to Abuja. So far it has been good, it has been great. So let's see how today goes. I'll talk to you guys later.
Thank you so much. Okay, we'll start with our recap for today, what we learned yesterday, like we did yesterday. So we just want a few persons to remind us of what we learned yesterday.
Go through, come out through North Gate or turn at that roundabout at Medicine. Then go to Site 2 and then come out to then come out to. Yeah, exactly. Because if I remember correctly, this security post of the main gate. This is the central mosque on the right. There's this mainframe computer then that was serving the whole university. So the whole third floor was housing that main floor. Some of the sculptures are very self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Like the woman in labor, the door.
Because breeze is blowing.
Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, guys, today is Friday and we're headed back to Abuja, the nation's capital. This is 5 o'clock, it's 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 a.m. I woke up around 4 to get ready because our train leaves by 7. So we have to leave Zaria to Kaduna, the train station, where the train station is. And we have to do that to get there before 7 a.m. So I had to wake up very early to get ready. So I'm ready now. I'm just waiting for my bosses to tell me they're set. There's a driver waiting for us downstairs to take us down to Kaduna. So I think it's on this note I'll be ending this vlog. So if you've watched up to this point, I hope you enjoyed my little journey. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.